Hi everybody, Jonathan Edly with Technical Glass Products. Today we're looking at the Angel's Envy Distillery in downtown Louisville, Kentucky, a facility I visited just a few months ago. As a stop in the Kentucky Bourbon Trail, visitors, they get the chance to see the production process and, well, of course, sample some bourbon in the tasting room. Architecturally, the building is just beautiful. It's lined with heavy timber, custom millwork, and lots of glazing. So during the tour, you will find a 60-minute fire-resistive transparent wall that joins the fermentation and distillery rooms. So this wall not only introduces abundant natural light, it features their copper still and creates a visual connection along the production process. TGP's heat barrier Fireframe was chosen for multiple reasons. It had similar sight lines with adjacent non-rated windows, it could accommodate the unique radius head condition at the top, and its rolled steel profiles could easily span these elevations. So this project was glazed with Pilkington's Pyrostop. It's a multi-laminate of solidified intumescent inner layers and low iron float glass. If you'd like to learn more about this project and others, visit the website at fireglass.com. We'll see you soon.